Dr. Urban here. I want to talk to you about a topic that is near and dear to my heart. Some years back, I had a drug-induced bout of mental confusion. It really bothered me. I vividly remember that awful feeling of knowing you don't have it all together. Even worse is the pervading feeling of loss of control and helplessness. I'll never forget that experience. Thankfully, my situation resolved when I switched medications. So, if you have any inclination that you are in mental decline, get yourself immediately to a team of professionals dealing with cognitive decline issues. Please don't delay. Early diagnosis is important. Do you sense that you are in cognitive decline? Maybe you are experiencing brain fog, confusion, senior moments, memory issues, attacks of violence, depression, or some other combination of symptoms. Perhaps you think or have been told it is part of normal aging. For we all used to think cognitive decline was part of normal aging, largely unavoidable and hugely untreatable. That's not the case anymore. That is the very solid good news which I want you to take or remember from this video. This is the takeaway. For there is a new smart pill sweeping American retirement communities, colleges, and is even being, that is a smart pill, used in children to increase IQs. For if you are in cognitive decline, you can get back that supercharged memory, improve your IQ, have clearer thinking, and a dramatic turnaround in your mental sharpness. Along the way, you don't need a doctor's prescription or visit or fancy tests. There are no adverse side effects to what I'm about to suggest because all components are natural. How about that? Back to that age-related brain shrinkage. Brain shrinkage takes place if you don't do something special about it or to avoid it. Research shows the adult human brain shrinks about 0.5% per year in the normal course of events. That's you and I before intervention. This brain shrinkage takes place especially in the brain's hippocampus, our memory and learning center. Now, by taking a certain specific brain nutrient, we can avoid this typical brain shrinkage. Not only can we avoid shrinkage, but our brains can become larger. Again, how about that? As the title of this video suggests, this is a way to reversing age-related cognitive decline. In students, the same brain nutrient I'm going to discuss improved reading scores 200% in 4 months. Are you getting the picture? So, what is this brain nutrient? Enter the omega-3 fatty acid, Docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA. This omega-3 fatty acid, DHA, comprises over 60% of our brain tissue. This common omega-3 fatty acid DHA is at home in our brains, but it's not quite that simple. Dr. Al Sears, MD, noted anti-aging clinician and physician, has a special DHA formulation combining krill oil with squid oil. Note, fish oil is absent. This combination of squid and krill oils crosses the blood-brain barrier. Whereas fish oil, DHA, omega-3s, does not cross the blood-brain barrier. Big difference. Therefore, forget fish oil going forward. There is an unavoidable bioavailability problem with fish oil. DHA fatty acid in krill oil with squid oil binds to phospholipids, which then readily cross the blood-brain barrier. Not so with fish oil. I threw in this point for your healthcare providers. You might want to show them this video and anyone who thinks fish oil is sufficient. It's not the case. Throw in astaxanthin, nature's most powerful antioxidant. Astaxanthin protects the omega-3s from oxidation and degradation. Dr. Sears' special brain nutrient is called Omega Rejuvenol. Omega Rejuvenol is generations ahead of its peers in preventing and reversing age-related cognitive decline. In the description below this video is a link to Omega Rejuvenol. You can take it from here and prevent or reverse your age-related cognitive decline. And that's it for this video. Do subscribe to my channel as other health-related videos are coming. By the way, I do take Omega Rejuvenol. And yes, Omega Rejuvenol improved my brain skills at several levels. May it be so for you. Thanks for indulging me in my favorite anti-aging subject. I have had patients relate to me their experiences with mental decline. Some of their words haunt me to this day. Do consider getting Omega Rejuvenol today. It can help restore brain function. Really. In short order, you'll experience or sense the change. Best wishes for a long, healthy, and particularly bright life. Dr. Urban. As always, don't make changes to your healthcare regimen without first consulting your healthcare providers.